guys, I'm back and I'm technically here and I just woke up at like 1 in the morning or something, and right now I woke up because of this noise and my dad woke up, so he's watching TV with him. So technically I was sleeping and I heard this noise from the closet. As you can see, there's nothing in my closet right there. So I'm just waking up, I'm just gonna see if I can catch any footage. I'm just gonna leave the light on. I'm gonna go downstairs, get some shit out, I guess, downstairs. I don't really want to sleep up here right now. So technically, I'm just going to let you guys be up here. And don't worry, I will leave you guys with a brush, a speaker, 2 guns, and a pen with a receipt. Okay? So let's put this to the side just in case you need them. So, technically we're going to see if whoever it is. It's pretty creepy. So, I'm serious. I'm not lying. So, this is like really creepy and also I really want to show you guys. I will put this on YouTube. This is weird when I say that. So I'm going to head out. Hope that you guys at least catch something. I really hope that I can catch something. Yeah. Way to go. Bye. Whoa. I used the toothpick. Yeah. Whoa! He used my toothbrush. Yuck, I ain't using that for a while. Oh, this is really creepy. Well, this really sucks. I just woke up because I heard a lot of noise from like a sinking running. So, see, if you guys tell me in the comments who it was, that would be really helpful. Please tell me. I don't know who it is. This is really creepy. I have a feeling somebody's hiding in my room. So yeah, I'll be back. I ain't gonna sleep here. So, hi guys. noise. Whoa! Whoa, there's a big mess on the floor. Ooh, at least you didn't take this. My helicopter. I'm gonna make some videos on this thing, but I hope he doesn't get to this. Put it away. Wait. Who used this? Who used this? Who used this? Oh, no one used it, but clean and dry. But it's just sitting out in the open. I wonder who. Hope no one drank this. It's my secret juice. It's technically mouthwash, but I wouldn't recommend drinking it because I put some seasoning in there, magic seasoning. It turns people like into monsters and stuff. Yeah, just hope no one drank that or spilled it on them. If they spilled it on them, they technically have the whole body as a symptom. Well, I guess I could, end this. I guess. I don't even know. I want to watch the footage. This is really scary, I guess. I'm gonna go check it. Bye, guys. Tell me if you see any footage. I'm very sleepy. It's like, I don't know, 10 or 9 o'clock.